Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Rizky Nur Azim. I'm from Information System 22B, Nusa Putra University. Here I will present of result of my search and titled Information System Security. Is number one background. Security issues are important aspect of an information system. It's that in this security problem often gets less attention from information system owner and manager. Often security issues come second or even less on the listing of things considered important if it interferes with the performance of the system. Security is often reduced, eliminated. For this reason, together with the preparation of this paper, we will discuss detail about a security system for additional knowledge and for our future reference. 1.2 Problem formulation. It's number one. What is the meaning of system security? Number two, what is related to system security? Number three, what are the security aspects of the system? Number four, what are there from system security? Number five, how to solve system security problems. 1.3 Purpose of writing. The purpose of writing this paper is number one, we know the types of security system. Number two, we know how to prevent damage to the system. Number three, can handle if the system has a problem. Number four, creating a better security system if able. Number five, as of the requirement of obtaining the value of the operating system search. Capture 2 Discussion. 2.1 Definition of system security. System security is a system that is used to search a computer from interference and all threat that endanger the security, in this case covering the security of data or information or system actor atau user. Computer system have data and information. Protecting this data from authentication practice is important for the operating system. This is what is called security, and operating system has several aspects of security related to the loss of data. Computer system and data inside are derived from that intrusion and climate. 2.2 Computer system security. First kind of system security. System security is divided into three, namely external security. Number two, user interface security. Number C, internal security. B, important security issues. The important security issues are A, loss of data or data loss caused by number 1, disaster. Number 2, hardware and software error. For example, processor multifunction. Understand this type: communication error, program error, or bugs. Number 3, human error. B, intrusion. Number 1, passive intrusion. Number 2, the intrusion inactive. For example, while typing by insert, hacker attempts to make money, military or business espionage glances when types words, passwords. The goal of security is to avoid, prevent, and address that to the system. C, aspect of security. Computer security. The essence of security computer is protecting computer and their network with the aim of sharing the information in them. Computer security itself introduces several aspects including number 1, privacy. Number 2, confidentiality. Number 3, integrity. Number 4, authentication. Number 5, availability. And threat type. Type of threats to computer system security can be modeled by looking at the function of the computer system as an information provider. Based on this function, threats to computer system are categorized into 4 threats, namely A, intrudes or interruption. B, interception or interception. Now C, modification. D, fabrication. And A, guidance on the principles of computer system security. A, system design. B, hackable. C, authentic. D, authority. E, economical machines. F, user authentication or user authentication. User authentication is user identification with logging in. A, authentication method. B, password protection measure. And number 1, salting. Number 2, on the time password. Number 3, long list question and answer. Number 4, challenge response. Number 5, something that belongs to the user. Number 6, something about or is a characteristic of user which is called biometric. And C, to minimize the chance of breaching computer system security, restriction must be provided. For example, number 1, login retrication. Number 2, retrication with callback. Number 3, limiting the number of login embed. Number 4, generally will send mass email. G, object that need to be protected. A, hardware object such as processor, memory segment, terminals, disk drive, printer. B, software object, process file database, smartphones. The problem of protection is about preventing process from accessing unauthorized object. So the domain concept was developed. Domain is the set of object ring pairs, pair specification object, and subset of operation that can perform it on it. Right? In this context, main person to perform operation. How to store domain member information in the form of one large metric. The line shows the domain, column denotes object. 2.3 computer system threats. One virus, a partial of virus is a program that can grow by multiplying itself. A1 thought this self-replicating mechanism. Number 2, virus can reproduction stem lives via email. Number 2, email virus. A explanation. One type of virus the insert in the email attack if the attachment is opened, it will affect the computer. Number 3, the virus program will record list of used email account address. Number 4, automatically the virus will copy itself and send email to a list of email accounts. Number 5, generally will send mass email. Network traffic make the computer slow and make the email server down. Number 3, internet worm. Explanation. Number 1, worm is kind of a program that can copy and send itself via the internet network communication lines. Number 2, generally attacks the computer OS security holes. Number 3, worms are able to send data back continuously to certification cities via LAN internet connection lines. The effect to make full network traffic. Number 5, worm can speed via email or certain documents file. Number 4, spam. Explained. Number 1, spam is kind of commercial email that become junk mail. Number 2, spams can send millions of email via the internet from benefit of promoting certain product or info. Number 3, the effect very distributed use email comfort and has the potential to also carry virus from Trojans. Number 5, Trojan heroes. Explain. One, Trojan is a hidden program in a particular application. Number 2, generally hidden in certain applications such game software program updates. Number 3, if active, the program will generally send packets via the internet to certain server or cities. Number 4, the effect will the communication line show the connection make computer hang and potentially make your computer of sort of denial of service attack. Number 6, spyware. Its explanation. Number 1, spyware is a program with the aim of infiltrating certain advertisement or talking important information on the user computer. Number 2, spyware have the potential to distort user comfort and steal certain data on the user computer to vision to hacker. The spyware effect will consume computer memory so that the computer becomes slow and hang. 2.4, system security software and 1, antivirus software and 2, antivirus software and 2, anti-spam software. Number 3, firewalls. Number 4, resource sharding. Security tips against virus, Trojan, worms, and spyware. Number 1, use antivirus software. Block file that offer contain virus. Number 3, block file that use more than one file extension. Number 4, make sure all programs are verified by IT time in each unit. Number 5, seek up for an email alert service. Number 6, use a firewall to connection to the internet. Number 7, update well software patch. Number 8, backup data regularly. Number 9, avoid booting from floppy disk. Number 10, implementation the user computer security system policy. B, user security computer security system policy. 1, do not download executables, file or document directly from the internet. Number 2, do not open all kinds of subvention files from internet. Number 3, do not install games or screensaver that are not native of the iOS. Number 4, send sufficient files via email to the local admin to check. Number 5, save the document file in artifact text format. Number 6, be selective in downloading file attachment in email. Number 7, sort virus information or file hacks the local admin. Number 8, contact the admin if you feel your computer is affected with a virus. Chapter 3, closing. Consolation. In the world of global data communication and the ever-changing development of information technology and rapid development of software, security is a very important issue, be it physical security, data security, or application security. We need to realize that achieving security is very impossible thing, as in the case in today's real world there is no single that is truly safe. Even though security guards have been stationed in the area as well as computer system security, but what we can do is to reduce the security disturbance. With the preparation of this paper, hopefully it can provide an overview computer security and can minimize of occurrence of distribution to the system that we have, as well as our reference for the future, which will be more advanced and developing. Suggestion: for the sake of the protection of this paper, our advice is to keep your computer or PC security system from all kinds of that the authors have described above, with various security measures that can at least minimize all kinds of threats to your PC system. We really hope of constructive critiques and suggestions towards goodness for the success and perfection of writing papers to come. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.